Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My sister's next to me and she's not gonna shout. I've got 25. So what we're doing is we're mining. I'll be back once I've got another million, so I'll see you then. Guys, we just sold, so what we're doing 6 million, but what we need to do is we need to go to the sandbox. I don't know why it's called sandbox, why not? Like, it's not, I know it's sad, but like, there's toys dug in there. In Toyland.
Oh.
Yeah?
Can I have a baby in this Toyland?
No, that you don't get babies at the bottom. Dun, dun, dun! Guys, if never mind. Anyway, look, this is my music. Bear 9. Okay?
Was that a good sound?
Hopefully, if you, in this video, in this video, we'll try and get this, and hopefully we get 1 subscriber from this one video. We got 6 million, and we're second. My brother's first, and we're just rocking this. We're rocking this back. On YouTube, I've seen YouTubers, they have like an army. So this can be called the gaming army. Or I don't know. Comment have, hopefully, after this video, go and check out my brother's channel. I don't know what it's called, but his name is, okay guys, we found Teddy Bear, and I found it this time. Next, let me go sell. Let me go sell.
Guys, bye!
She's saying, don't subscribe to his channel. Please subscribe. He wants at least. Bye. We're not going yet. Let me see on how.
Look, it's not pretty.
We're gonna get.
Yeah, but it's just.
Mum, that's pretty.
No, not that. We might. Oh my god, guys. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna rebirth. We need 1 million more. We're gonna work to rebirth, and no, we're not getting the ultra ray gun. We're gonna rebirth. We're doing it. We're rebirthing. This to get 6 rebirths. There we go. Now we need 7 million, but I'll do that in the next. If you want to see all the lands? We'll go. I'll show you. Look, Candyland. We'll go to Candyland, and I'll show you what Candyland looks like. I'm gonna show you all the lands, like Dinoland. I think you've seen that. Toyland, Candyland looks like. You got the mine there, and then it's really cool. Toyland, I guess. Then we're gonna go to Finland and Dinoland. Box. Also known as, it's really cool. I think this is where I done my profile picture. I guess I'll see you in Foodland. See you in Foodland. Here we go. We're going, and we need to check out Katie.
I'm going to go to that. And I'm going to go to the playhouse.
Dinoland! Yeah, you're right. Chicken. Not chicken. Check. But that's what it looks like. We'll return home. Oh, remember I said visit my brother's channel. Cool. His name is Subscribers. At least 50 likes and comment musically or something else. Or you can just oh, and also comment down below what army should we call it. Army.